AI is not replacing you, but someone using AI might. The workplace is changing fast, and those without AI skills are already falling behind. At AI Certified Academy, we don't just teach AI, we prepare you to work with it, compete with it, and lead with it. No pre-recorded videos, no guesswork. You learn live with real instructors. Our 8-week program gives you real practical skills, prompt engineering, productivity workflows, AI-powered content creation, data insights for smarter decisions. Seats are limited. Our next session begins May 22nd. Register now at CertifiedAIAcademy.com. Any questions? Text 346-271-0711. AI won't wait. Neither should you.